What's up, crypto guys? Welcome back to Goldrush Crypto Daily, your home for daily crypto breakdowns, market energy, and the stories the mainstream never covers. Today's episode is all about KAS, the underdog that just keeps proving people wrong. We're talking record-breaking speed, massive whale accumulation, Tier 1 exchange speculation, and a vision that could rival Bitcoin itself. Yeah, KASPA'S not playing small anymore. So before we jump in, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's talk about why KAS might be the most slept-on crypto in the game right now. Let's start with this post from a crypto Odie who says, KASPA world record, second attempt tomorrow. Will we beat 60 million? Hold up. 60 million transactions? That's insane for a proof-of-work blockchain. Most blockchains dream about this kind of throughput. But KASPA is doing it live. This isn't just hype. KASPA has been steadily pushing transaction records week after week thanks to its block DAG architecture, which, unlike traditional chains, can process multiple blocks simultaneously. So instead of one block every few seconds like Bitcoin or Litecoin, KASPA's DAG model allows parallel confirmations, meaning insane scalability without compromising security. Think of it like this. Bitcoin is a single-lane highway. KASPA, it's a whole city of highways all syncing together in real time. If this second world record attempt breaks 60 million TPS, we're not just talking bragging rights. We're talking historic proof-of-work scalability. And when that happens, every developer, exchange, and institutional fund watching from the sidelines is going to realize KASPA isn't a meme project anymore. It's becoming the tech standard for scalable, decentralized infrastructure. Next up, KASPA builders dropped a huge bomb. 5,584 TPS, max TPS to date. That's not just numbers. That's the future of scalable proof of work. While others talk about speed, KASPA proves it on-chain. Guys, read that again. 5,584 transactions per second. To put that into perspective, Bitcoin averages 7 TPS, Ethereum before scaling is around 30 TPS, and even Solana, the so-called fast chain, fluctuates due to network congestion. KASPA just flexed real proof-of-work scalability, on-chain, no gimmicks, no centralized validators. This is why the KASPA community's energy right now is through the roof. Because while most projects talk, KASPA just executes, literally, in parallel. And the market's starting to notice. Every new performance record adds more pressure on major exchanges to finally list KAS. The fundamentals are there. The numbers are undeniable. Now let's talk about what Egg-Slonker69 spotted. KAS wallet NR2 has added another 4.3 nen KASPA, 327K USD. The unknown wallet now controls 3.5% of the total supply, and the top 10 addresses control 21.8%. That's major accumulation, guys. When whales, and we're talking serious capital here, start consolidating, it's not random. These aren't weekend traders. These are smart money positions being built quietly before big catalysts, like Tier 1 exchange listings or ETF-style exposure. Remember what Web3 Princess said in her tweet? KASPA hasn't even touched Coinbase or Binance yet. The second those doors open and liquidity flows in from retail and institutions alike, KASPA's current market cap will look microscopic. Whales know this. That's why they're buying while the crowd is distracted by meme coins. And 3.5% in one wallet? That's not just belief. That's conviction. Speaking of which, Brianne Frey, aka Web3 Princess, tweeted this bullish take, KAS potential is huge. Imagine breaking records like these and not even listed on T1 exchanges yet. The moment those gates open, everyone floods in, and she's 100% right. We've seen this story before. Pre-listing accumulation, check. Consistent network growth, check. Real technological edge, check. Once liquidity hits, boom. Retail chases, FOMO spikes, and the early believers get rewarded. This is the calm before the storm, because every record KASPA breaks isn't just a flex, it's a signal. Exchanges love data. They list assets that show engagement, throughput, and developer activity. And KASPA'S ticking all three boxes right now. When Coinbase finally flips the switch, and I believe it's not a question of if, but when, we're going to see a liquidity explosion that could rewrite KASPA'S valuation overnight. Now this next post from Sovereign 204 really hits at the soul of the project. KAS is aiming to be the first and best global sovereign digital currency, a currency everyone can store value in and use daily. BTC is mainly a store of value, digital gold meant to be held. This right here is the why behind KASPA. Bitcoin gave us the foundation, digital gold, decentralized wealth preservation. But it's slow and not built for daily use. KASPA is stepping into that gap, a true sovereign digital currency that can actually handle real-world volume, not just hodl it, but use it. Imagine a future where your digital payments, remittances, and on-chain applications all flow through KASPA'S block DAG, instant, final, secure. This is what sets KASPA apart from the hype projects. It's not trying to replace Bitcoin, it's trying to complete what Bitcoin started. And that's what institutions love, a long-term, scalable narrative. Finally, Escape Squad summed it up perfectly. Price is down and there will be large swings. Still, KASPA will rule over fiat and most crypto over the next decade. Traders can trade the peaks, but hodlers will win holding for 10 years. And that's the mindset, guys. Short-term price action, it's noise. But the underlying adoption curve, that's where wealth is built. Every dip in KAS right now is just a chapter in the accumulation story. The network is scaling. Whales are loading. Builders are active. That's not a dying project, and that's a maturing one. This is exactly how early Bitcoin felt in 2013. Low price, high conviction, silence from mainstream media, and then, boom, the floodgates opened. If KASPA continues executing at this pace, it won't just be another altcoin, it'll be a pillar of the next crypto era. Let's tie this together. Across these tweets, you can see three converging forces. 1. Technology catching up with ambition. KASPA'S block DAG is proving that scalability and decentralization can coexist. No shortcuts, no centralization. 2. Smart money accumulation. Whales are moving silently. Top wallets are growing. Exchange rumors are circling. 3. Cultural conviction. The community isn't just trading KAS, they believe in the mission. A truly sovereign peer-to-peer currency for the world. If all three of those align, and we're seeing it happen right now, KASPA'S next breakout won't be a 10% pop, it'll be a multi-month revaluation cycle. So what should you watch? Keep an eye on on-chain TPS, wallet distribution, and any hints of Tier 1 listing confirmation, because when those dominoes start falling, the FOMO will be unstoppable. All right, guys, bottom line, KASPA'S doing the impossible right now, breaking throughput records, attracting whales, pushing real tech innovation, all before the big exchanges even list it. That's like discovering Bitcoin before Coinbase existed. So if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, share this video with a fellow KAS believer, and comment below. Do you think KASPA hits $1 before it lists on Binance? I want to hear your take. And if you're new here, welcome to the Goldrush family. We cover everything from XRP to KASPA to the next big crypto movers, daily. So hit subscribe, turn on those notifications, and remember, this is not financial advice, just my opinion based on the data and sentiment I'm seeing in the market. Always do your and never invest what you can't afford to lose, because in crypto, conviction plus patience is wealth. Until next time, stay bullish, stay early, and stay gold.